Korean-ish cold noodles. So these cold noodles I get from the store. They come in a bag or floured like this already. And then the cold noodle broth also comes in a bag. I have like a little Mexican-y addition to the broth, and you'll see how that looks. Just follow the directions on your package for how long to cook these. So for the broth, I'm gonna start with these, and then in addition to that, I'm gonna have serrano pepper, cucumber, and some cilantro I'm gonna blend up and then add to that broth. So I have half of a big cucumber peeled. To make it easy to blend, just chop it up super quickly. Then 1 serrano pepper. You can take out the seeds if you want to, make it less spicy. Take out some of them. Chopping it up makes it easy to go and blend. We're done. Just get these noodles as cold as you can. So I'm gonna throw some ice in here after I get these down. Water in here, just to help it blend. I forgot to say I gotta add some limes to this. I'm gonna give it another quick blend. These packets are just like concentrated, so I need to get some water to dilute them.
Okay.
Straight in with my salsa verde.
Yum. The perfect bite.
I think what we can do with this leftover broth. Mezcal. Simple syrup I made with guajillo chilies. Oh shit. Has potential. Next time, less sugar, maybe another lime.